Home Remedies presents how to use alum to get rid of toothache. Toothache has been one of life's worst nightmares. Toothache is a pain or inflammation in or around the tooth, often caused by tooth decay or infection. Today I will share with you a simple remedy that solves the problem of toothache permanently and without much cost. This remedy has been tested and trusted by people who previously had to deal with tooth challenges. This remedy is alum, also known as fitkari. Alum is an effective remedy for teeth and gums related problems. Alum helps to prevent tooth decay, and due to its astringent property, it also helps control bleeding. Alum is a transparent ice salt-like substance that is used in filtration of pond water as well as for medicinal purposes. How to use? After your dinner, brush your teeth with your normal toothpaste. Take a piece of alum, put it directly on the affected tooth. Close your mouth and don't swallow your spit. You can get sick if you do, as the spit in your mouth is what is going to react with alum. After about 10 to 15 minutes, remove the first spit and repeat the same again. Then you can go to bed. Secondly, before breakfast, put a small quantity of the alum at the affected part of the teeth. Hold it tight and gargle the saliva for 10 to 15 minutes before spitting it out. After your breakfast, repeat the remedy as instructed. You must definitely notice that the pain had subsided. Do not stop as the pain has gone down. Repeat the process for at least 5 days, then watch and see the miracles unfolding. Share with all this piece of advice. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.